Hello Facebook Ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today I'm answering one of your questions. So we have my friend and usual suspect Sebastian, I'm not going to say his last name. How much spent or how many days you let run before you start optimizing? 48 hours for the first optimization and from there every 48 hours? Let me answer that. Correct. The first optimization is in the first 48 hours. And of course, this is the point that you are not just looking for sales. We know that in the United States, for example, we have 72 hours delayed reporting. If you live in Europe and in other areas and you're doing ads for these areas, I can tell you that you should go straight away for purchase optimization in the 48 hours because dynamic ads are working super fast. If you're doing carousel ads, by the way, you need to give them a longer period for your optimization. On the other hand, I need to tell you that when you're checking your first 48 hours for engagement, link clicks and stuff and see what you're closing, this is the point that you're going to close the ad set that they have overspent without any result or any intent to buy. For example, if I see something overspending and I see 10 initiate checkouts, I'm going to leave it because maybe there are some delayed reporting which is going to come later. But if I see 180 spending and nothing, in a $100 CBO campaign, I guess, I'm going to close it because it's taking all of my budget for any reason that I'm not going to analyze and I don't care about finding out why. It failed, okay? After the 48 hours, if your campaign is doing very well immediately, like 2, 3 ROAS, 4 ROAS, whatever it's your ideal number and the numbers that you are getting most frequently, then it means that you can start optimizing based on the purchase event immediately, okay, and based on the ad spend. If it's not, you need to optimize with different things and see what has potential and what doesn't. After that, I would go to another 48 hours and then I will optimize strictly with purchase events. It's enough for me this period in order to know if something is going to give a purchase or not because the delayed reporting is already over. And then after the 48 hours, the next day, so not after 24 hours, so 48 hours and then 24 hours, watching the last 7 days results. I'm optimizing daily, watching my average results, whatever is not working, I'm closing, lowering the budget, fixing my campaign, and then I'm doing this every single day. Every single day I'm watching my last 7 days results and I'm trying to improve them. No, you are not trying to improve them basically, you are trying to keep them in the level that they are, okay? You don't try to increase the budget or whatever. You have seen most probably my optimization videos and how we filter by selection all of them, checking what the ROAS is going to be in the last 7 days if there were only these assets and so on. So that's all I had to say about the optimization and the intervals between when we do it. To be honest with you, Federico, sometimes I cannot hold myself and for the first 48 hours I hold myself, okay, but after that I might even optimize daily. But the truth is that it's better to do 48 hours, 24, 24 hours, okay? But sometimes I even don't do it. But if you're not experienced enough in order to know, just roll with this program and you will be fine. Thank you for the question. Don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my free course. And until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.